Yes. Good morning, student. Listen carefully. Today I am going to explain about tsunami. Tsunami is a Japanese word called as harbor waves. It is a very dangerous tsunami or the harbor wave struck havoc in the Indian Ocean. The 26th December 2004. Remember this point. This harbor waves originate and come in the Bay of Bengal in 26 दिसंबर 2004 26 दिसंबर 2004 को ये वेव ओरिजिनेट हुई इन बे ऑफ बंगाल में. The wave was the result of the earthquake. The wave was the result of the earthquake that had its epicenter close. कारण ये है, बताया जाता है कि इस वेव का कारण केवल भूकंप था जिसका एपिसेंटर यानी जो पृथ्वी का जो अंदर का हीटिंग है उसके जो इरेप्शन का पॉइंट था जिसको एपिसेंटर कहा जाता है वो क्लोज हो गया था यानी बंद हो गया था, जिसको एक स्थान से निकलना था और बंद होने के कारण वो उसका सेंटर जब पॉइंट बंद हो गया तो वो हिस्सा पूरी तौर से वाइब्रेट होने लगा क्योंकि इसका एपिसेंटर बॉटम ऑफ वाटर में ओपन हो रहा था. The western boundary of the Sumatra boundary. The magnitude of the earthquake was 0 degree on the Richter scale. As the Indian plate went under the Burma plate. जो भारतीय प्लेट और जो बर्मा की भूखंड से एडेड है, देयर वॉज सडन मूवमेंट. उस पे जब अचानक एक मूविंग हुआ यानी कंपिंग हुआ, शिवरिंग हुआ इन द सी फ्लोर यानी वाटर की जो तली पर एक प्रकार से बहुत तेजी से हुआ. कॉजिंग ऑफ मीन्स अर्थक्वेक. तेजी से वो लोग जो पानी की तली थी यानी पानी का जो हिस्सा था वो कंपन उसमें शुरू हो गई. The ocean floor was displaced by about water flowed to fill in the gap that was being created by displacement. The landmass in the south and the Southeast Asia after thrusting of the Indian plate below the Burma plate, the water mass rushed back and towards the coastline. Tsunami traveled at the speed of about 800 km per hour, comparable to speed of commercial aircraft and completely washed away some of the islands in Indian Ocean. The Indra Point of in the Andaman Nicobar Island that marked the southernmost point of India got completely submerged as the wave moved from the earthquake. Epicenters यानी epicenter from Burma towards the Andaman Nicobar and Sri Lanka. The wave's length decreased with the decreased depth of the water. The travel speed also the decline from the 700 to 900 km per hour to less than 70 kilometers per hour. Tsunami waves traveled up to the depth of 3 km and from the coast killing more than 1 million 1 million people and affected more than lakh of the house. In India, the worst affected were the coastal area of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Puducherry, and Andaman Nicobar Island. They were fully affected. While the earthquake can't be predicted in the advance, it is the possible to give a 3 hours notice of the potential tsunami. Such early warning systems are in place across the Pacific Ocean, but not in the Indian Ocean. Tsunami are rare in the Indian Ocean as the seismic activity is less as the compared to the Pacific. The tsunami and the ravaged the South and Southeast Asian coast in the December 2004. Is the most devastating tsunami in the last several hundred years. The large damage caused to life and property was the primarily a result of the backmouring, so the early warning systems and the large among the coast dwellers. The first indication that the tsunami is approached the rapid wave, and when this happened on the coast, instead the people going to high conquest high ground, and they started assembling at the coast to view the miracles. As the conquest there was a large causality of the curious one looks when the gigantic wave yani tsunami struck. This is your the case study of tsunami, and you will read and listen this video carefully and revise. Thank you.